Hi everyone, this is Kevin here, coming at you with my hands-on and first impressions video of the Alcatel Avalon V. Now this phone is a Verizon exclusive, so I don't cover a whole lot of Verizon devices on the channel, but I want to in the future. So I'm really excited to take a closer look at this phone. So let's get started. Follow me on Instagram at KevinBreezeTV. Please join the Kevin Breeze Tech community on Facebook to chat about budget smartphones, ask questions, and help others. So here is the Alcatel Avalon V. Now I'd like to thank Alcatel for sending this out to me to review. I've actually had this phone for a little while here, and I just hadn't had a chance yet to make a video about it, but I'm definitely glad to finally make the video. I'll definitely be making a follow-up video to this one as well after I use this phone for a little bit. So on the front of the box here, we have a picture of the phone itself. On the side, we have some more specifications, but I'll be going over these throughout the video, and even more specs on the back side as well. But let's open this on up and see what all is included in the box. So it looks like the first thing we have here is the phone itself, which has a pretty large display on it. We'll open this flap here, see what else is inside. Dump all that out. We have a quick start guide here for the Avalon V. We have an Alcatel branded wall adapter. We have a micro USB cable for charging and data transfer. So this phone does have micro USB on the bottom. And we have a SIM card removal tool. So here is the phone. Let's peel off the plastic here on the top. And there we go. There's a look at the phone itself. So we'll boot this on, get it all set up, and then we'll dive deeper into it. So here is the phone itself, and here is the home screen. Now the device is available as a Verizon exclusive at a $99 retail price. Now it's likely that you'll be able to save some money on it, and there's probably different promotions going on and things like that where you can get the phone probably for free or close to it, but you'll have to definitely go to your local Verizon store or go onto Verizon's website to see what deals are currently available. But this phone features a 5.3-inch display with a 480 by 960 resolution with an 18 by 9 aspect ratio. So the resolution's pretty low on this. This is the brightest that the display gets, and it's not very bright at all. And the viewing angles are pretty bad on this too, but that's to be expected for a lower end phone. However, for $99, it's probably not worth it from what I'm seeing so far. Now this device features a 2 megapixel front facing camera. It has a 5 megapixel camera on the rear. It does not have portrait mode. It features 16 gigabytes of internal storage with microSD card expansion. There's no wireless charging. There's also no fingerprint sensor on the back, and there's also no face unlock. The phone features 2 gigabytes of RAM, and one of the positives though with this phone is that it has the Qualcomm Snapdragon 425 processor, which is a pretty good processor, especially for a phone in this price range. So you're going to get decent performance with this. Of course, nothing too fantastic, but having the Snapdragon 425 is definitely better than it could be. Now, video recording with this device maxes out at 720p. The phone features a battery capacity of 2,460 milliamp hours, and the software on here is Android 8.1 Oreo. Now, this is pretty much stock Android, which is good. There is some bloatware, though, that comes with it, like eBay, Candy Crush, and a variety of other applications like Netflix. So you do get bloatware with this phone, but the software itself is still pretty much stock Android, which is always a nice thing to see. Now taking a look at the left side of the phone, we just have the slot for the microSD card and SIM card. On the right side, we have the power button and volume rocker. On the top, we have the 3.5mm headphone jack and the noise canceling microphone. On the bottom, we have the microphone, micro USB port for charging and data transfer, and the speaker. And then on the back side, we have the main camera, which is 5 megapixels. We have the flash with the Verizon logo and the Alcatel logo. Now this material on the backside is kind of a cool, like pebbly plastic look, but I definitely like it. It's a pretty nice looking material overall, so I'm certainly a fan. But I'm definitely going to use this phone a bit, go out and take some test photos as well, and then report back to you with my full review video. But I hope you found this video to be helpful and interesting. This is the Alcatel Avalon V for Verizon Wireless, and I'll see you in the next video. And again, thank you to Alcatel for being kind enough to send this phone out to me to review.